For our cute little graduation hat, I made my tassel out of embroidery floss, and I kind of had an idea of how I was going to do it, and then just to double check, I did a Google search on how to make a tassel, and the first video that popped up was super helpful. So here is how to make a tassel. For ours, I cut a 5x5 square of chipboard, and then I scored it in half and folded it in half. And I made it the same size that I want the height of my tassel to be, because we are just going to wrap a bunch of floss around, and that just makes sure that it's all the same length. So like 8 to 10, 12, 20 times around, however thick you want your tassel to be. If you're making a lot of them, maybe, don't use as much. So once you feel like you've got it wrapped around enough times, you can go ahead and cut it off even at the bottom, and then use this side that's open here to slide your scissors in. First, let's actually slide a piece of the floss underneath and up here, and that's going to be used to tie it to the top of your graduation hat. So cut it off with plenty of room left to tie a knot and then cut it off, so maybe like 5 inches or so. And then now we can use our scissors here to cut the bottom. And now we can take it off and tie it in a knot. Actually, maybe I could have tied it in a knot before I cut it, but I'll be careful to not mess it up. So just tie it in a knot here, like this. And as you probably guessed, we're going to take another piece of floss and just wrap it around maybe like 5 or 6 times right here. So when you wrap it around, leave enough so that when you're done, you can trim it to the same length here. So I want it to be kind of long so that I can trim it. And then I'll just wrap it around like 5 times or so. And then I will trim it a little bit longer too, so then I can tie both ends in a knot. And once they are in a knot, I will trim it so that it's even with the bottom and just even up those ends down there. So our cute tassel is taking shape here. And now let's move on to the top of the cap, and we'll tie this on in just a minute. So here we've got the pieces for the top of our hat. Obviously this part is the main part of the top, and then we've got these little small circles and a standard size brad. So you are going to glue all these little donut shaped pieces together to form a thick piece. And then we're going to take the one piece that has the small circle in it and put a thin little ring of glue around so that you can glue all these on top of it. And that is going to form a little housing for your brad, which you can stick in there. And then we're just going to put some glue on here and glue this cover-up piece on the top. So that forms a nice big button that we're going to use on the top of our hat. So the next thing we want to do is put this through the hole with the tassel and tie the tassel on, because it's not going to be possible to put this on once we already have this all glued up. So go ahead and put that through the top of your hat, and I'm just going to loosely fold my brad out so it doesn't fall out. And then I'm going to put my tassel on. I think it looks good if you have it where it just starts to hang off the edge, so about that far. And then I'm just going to wrap it around, maybe tie it in one knot first. Actually, yeah, let's tie it in a knot at the top first, and then we'll put it through and we'll tie another knot to hold it in place. So I don't think I have left quite enough floss up here. So mine's going to be a little bit shorter this time. So here we go. I've got like a messy little knot here, and I'm going to loop that around and tie this in a knot up here. Then you want to get your scissors and just get inside there as best you can. Actually, I'm going to loosen up my brad so I'm just going to pull my brad out and trim off those pieces. And don't want those showing at all. Okay. All right, floss, come on. Okay. So we've got it hanging off. Now we're going to put it through, and I'm going to push down pretty hard because we're good to go now. Okay, so this next part's pretty obvious. These little pieces just get folded around, and then put a nice thin layer of even glue on that top tab all the way around, and just close it up like this and hold it while it dries. So next we're going to form the rest of the top of the hat, which is pretty much the same as the bottom. So I won't even show you the bottom because it's pretty much the same as the top here. So we've got our little circle, and we've got this funky piece here. And I'm going to start by gluing the tab here on the end. I want to make sure my glue goes all the way to the edge, and I'm going to glue that around and close it up. And I'm just doing my best to make sure that these line up real nice and that this corner lines up with that little barely visible corner down there. And mine's a little bit messy, but yours of course will be much neater than mine here. And as that's drying, I'm going to hold it and I'm going to go ahead and fold over all of these little tabs. And I'm just going to put a nice even layer of glue around on all of these little tabs here. And you can take your time a little bit more than I am right now so that you get your glue all the way to the edge of each little tab real nice. And just work your way around. And then once I've got glue on all of these tabs, I am just going to flip over my top, which I haven't glued together, but you get the idea. I'm just going to take this and just place it right in the center of my hat here. And I just want to get it as best I can in the middle and just reach inside and push down on these little tabs while they dry. And then once that's dry, I'm going to take my little circle and I'm just going to glue that inside to finish it off and make it look a little nicer. So for the bottom, you've got the same two type of pieces. You're just going to glue this around and fold the tabs over, and then just glue this on top of the tabs. And it just finishes off real nice like that. If you need to move it around to make sure it's nice and even while it's drying, go ahead and do that, and then put your goodies inside and you're good to go.